So what do you need on a daily basis? Well, you need a pack that's roughly 20 to 25 liters and will readily kind of compress down, but easily be able to pack everything that you see here. So let's go through this and get this pack set up. One of my favorite features right here is these little magnetic pockets, and they're perfect for cables and cords and organizing. Then we've got this little MOLLE panel right here, laser cut MOLLE. It's perfect for pens, pencils, flashlights, and EDC gear. We've also got 3 loops up here at the top for keychains and other accessories. We've also got a pocket in here for cables and other types of cords. There's also a front panel here that's a pass-through. For a jacket, we've got some Velcro in the front. Pocket here in the main core, we're going to be able to pack away everything else that you see here. We have a StashPack pocket. It's perfect for my metas. Got a little tech pouch over here. Got some of the tent pouches with the magnetics that will collapse and fold up. I've got some items for the gym, which I'll need later. This is the wet dry packing cube. As you can see, I've got some shorts and a towel. That'll be for later. Items like my charger or my SD card holder. And then of course I've got a cap case. And I'm going to stuff right here at the bottom. So I've got my camera gear when I need it. And then got a spot here for my laptop to go. And then last but not least, we've got the pants pockets. Got one here for my wallet. And I've got another here for my phone. There you go.